How to use motivation to get rid of procrastination. Everyone procrastinates at some point, even the best and most successful among us. However, when procrastination becomes a habit, then you need to do something about it. In this presentation, you're going to find out how you can use the power of motivation to get rid of procrastination. When you find yourself procrastinating all the time, and you find yourself failing to achieve anything that needs to be done, then you've got to look deep within you and find out why you keep procrastinating. Do you feel like the tasks you need to do are too overwhelming, and you need to put it off so you don't feel too stressed? If this is the case, then you can try breaking down the tasks into mini tasks. Break it down into small tasks to make it easier for you to do. You may need to take the time to plan this step through. Make sure the mini tasks will still lead to the completion of the main task. You don't want to create small tasks that have absolutely nothing to do with the main task. Try this system. You'll ultimately feel more motivated to work on your tasks. Alternatively, if you're one of those who feels like they work best when the deadline's close, then you may want to create a system whereby you adjust the deadline to something closer to the present. When you do this, you're essentially telling yourself you need to do this task now. Not tomorrow or next week, but now. Create a sense of urgency. You'll need plenty of self-discipline, however, for this system to work. Otherwise, you'll still end up ignoring your self-imposed deadline and procrastinate. Without discipline, you'll be panicking when the real deadline's near because you haven't even started and you vastly underestimated the difficulty of the task ahead of you. For either system, you can dangle a reward in front of yourself. Tell yourself you'll treat yourself to your favorite candy bar or your favorite ice cream, or maybe watch the latest blockbuster with your friends. Then, when you achieve your goal, because you didn't procrastinate, go out and reward yourself.